Good day. Welcome to the PSG Wealth Offshore Performance Overview for April 2024. April was a tough month for both equity and fixed income markets. The MSCI Acqui ended the month minus 3.3% lower. The MSCI World was down by minus 3.71%. Emerging markets outperformed developed markets, posting a 0.45% return. The S&P 500 was down by minus 4.08% over the month, while the FTSE 100 was up by 2.72%. Asian markets were mixed over the month as Hong Kong equities were up by 7.45%, while Japanese equities were down by minus 4.86%. Global property was down by minus 5.06%. In the fixed income market, sovereign bonds and investment-grade bonds were down by minus 2.6% and minus 2.53% respectively. Emerging market bonds outperformed, posting a minus 1.71% return. Over the month, Aberdeen and 91 appeared amongst our top performers, while PIMCO and Bailey Gifford were amongst our bottom performers. 3 funds were included in our quantitative radar, and the Global Preserver Fund of Fund USD class and GBP class still have the Fidelity Global Multi-Asset Income Fund in our qualitative radar. The Global Preserver Fund of Fund USD class outperformed the sector by 24 basis points, with 3 out of 5 managers outperforming. The GBP class outperformed the sector by 75 basis points. The ranking table is still dominated by first and second quartile performance over the long term. The Global Moderate Fund of Fund underperformed the sector by 44 basis points, and none of the managers outperformed the sector. The fund has managed to produce second quartile performance over its 5-year recommended investment period. The Global Flexible Fund of Fund USD class underperformed the sector by 44 basis points, with only 2 out of 7 managers outperforming. The GBP class also underperformed the sector by 85 basis points, with only 1 out of 7 managers outperforming. The ranking table is still dominated by first quartile performance over the long term, and both funds are in the first quartile over 7 years. The Global Creator Fund of Fund underperformed the sector by 6 basis points, with 5 out of 10 managers outperforming. The fund is still in the first quartile over its 7-year recommended investment period. The solutions continue to produce consistent first and second quartile performance over the long term and are performing relatively well over their recommended investment periods. Looking at our 3-pillar approach, even with the volatility, the team are still achieving their objective of delivering consistent above average performance at below average risk while maintaining a competitive price. Thank you.